Are you considering solar panels for your roof? Whether you want to decrease your carbon footprint, decrease your electricity bills, or both, you should first figure out how much electricity you currently use. This will tell you how much power you need from your future solar system. There are several ways to measure your electricity usage. 1, you can check your utility bill statement for your monthly usage, or 2, you can estimate your power consumption yourself. I will show you the second option because it is the best way to take control of your energy needs. If you are aiming to save money and the environment, it is beneficial to see exactly where you can save on electricity. First, make a list of all the appliances, electronics, lights, heating and cooling systems in your home. To save time, you can estimate most of these items at the U.S. Energy Department website using their Appliance Energy Calculator. For larger appliances, you can look at the label. For example, for your stove, you can check the label for the wattage. Then multiply this wattage by the number of hours you use your stove per year. Divide this number by 1,000 to get the amount in kilowatt hours. The benefit of going through this procedure is you get to really see the breakdown of your electricity bill. After tallying all of your household items and their power usage per year, you can add them up to get an annual power value in kilowatt hours per year. You can convert this to kilowatt hours per day and multiply by the number of peak sunlight hours per day in your area plus a 25% cushion. You can find your peak sunlight hours online. You now have a good estimate for your power needs. The average U.S. homeowner needs about 5 to 10 kilowatts. You may need a smaller or larger system depending on your home and personal electricity needs. The solar panels are just one part. The system also includes mounting/racking to hold the solar panels in place and an inverter which is used to convert DC power from your solar panels into AC power, which is compatible with your home appliances and the utility grid. An AC panel or fuse board brings power from the inverter to your house and connects to the power meter and the existing utility grid. This is an example of a grid-tied solar system. The cost for your system will depend on the amount of power you need your solar panels to generate. More power will require more panels or fewer panels with a higher sunlight to electricity efficiency. Swift Solar is currently working on an emerging solar technology that can harvest more light from the sun using low-cost materials. Check out our website at swiftsolar.com to learn more about the future of solar, and let's fight climate change together.